Taught across 6 modules by a project management specialist, this course will outline the basic elements and structure of PRINCE2 Agile. You will start with an introduction to PRINCE2 Agile before looking at its structure and themes. The course then moves on to how to tailor the framework. Once you begin training, you will have access to over an hour's worth of course material. You will also have 3 months of access to help you study at a pace that suits you. Our courses are not only mobile and tablet responsive, but they can also work offline via a mobile app, which means you can study on the go, wherever you are. Learning tips are included to help you remember key points that will appear on exams, and we also provide downloadable exercises throughout the course. Practice exams are available for when you finish the course. You'll also get complimentary access to our learning environment, where you'll find statistics and reports to track your progress along the way. And don't worry, we'll be on hand with expert support for when you need help, so contact us anytime. Want to find out more? Try a free trial or speak to a member of the team today.